Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Samuel from the Girl Squad, and today we are doing Try Not to Laugh. Oh my gosh. And in this video, it's Try Not to Laugh. No, I'm joking, I just said that. We're not going to be in this, but if we laugh, I will tell you. And I'm joined by Layla, by the way.
I'm recording her.
I don't know the song.
Charlie, I came outside and I found a 4-leaf clover. Charlie, look, Mom found a 4-leaf clover. Want to smell it? No, you can't eat it.
I've seen this one.
I was recording.
What does he think he is, a dog?
I don't know.
Like this.
Yeah, well, that's one point to me. That must have hurt. That's not even funny.
It's the best and the cry at the end.
Oh my word. Are you okay?
What's that voice? Are you okay?
I watched this one.
It looks like she's in like some sort of. She's in a trolley, isn't she? She's in the top of a
She's
trolley.
in a basket. You laughed.
I laughed. No, I will not laugh to that. Can't believe I forgot what challenge it was. So I'll laugh.
Got it ready.
Oh, I've seen this one.
I've seen it when it's Harry jumps on the ball and the ball pops.
It didn't pop.
Some of them do pop. It's bad.
How's that funny?
Could have cracked his face open.
Okay, go.
It's going to jump on to trampoline. It's only little.
Did you hit your head on the ball?
Don't do it. Oh my god.
One more? What do you say? You want more? What do you say?
What the?
That was the parrot.
Oh my god, that's just creepy.
Oh my god.
What was that? Oh, that fire.
Not bubbles. I don't understand. How was that funny? Oh, it's that electric colour.
You're literally back again. No. Don't you do that. Don't you take it.
Lol. That is a fat cat.
What are you doing, weirdo?
Them little canes look like rats or mice or doggy dog. That's not that funny to be fair.
Hold on. Go.
He's gonna run through it.
I know. And it smashes himself.
It's not that
Dive
funny.
on in. Let's
Just do.
And then
It's not that deep, jeez. Oh, I went straight back into his face.
what's that? Oh, Theo's got a new one. I bet he falls
Oh,
off.
I think I've seen this one.
I have.
Oh my god.
I've done this before. It's gonna go down the
So
slide.
far so good. We've only laughed once.
Half of these are not even funny.
And I expected something like make me laugh. Oh, guys, there was this one video where it was like she was going down the slide, but her head kept going like and hitting both edges. Do you remember that? Like kept going bang, 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 bang. Her head.
Yeah.
That was funny.
Yeah. It's all fun and games to tell somebody.
What challenge should we do next time?
Yeah, guys. What challenge should we do next time? We're thinking of doing.
Try not to cry.
That's easy though.
No, it's not.
That's right easy.
No, let's just do it.
Guess we're doing Don't Cry. Also, we got a Q&A coming.
You ready?
And
Go for it.
I forgot about the most important one. Try not to get impressed challenge.
And we'll do Don't Be Scared challenge. Don't Get Scared challenge.
I want to do Get Scared challenge next. It's got Bloody Mary. Sounds right.
Bloody Mary, I used to call her Bloody Ugly.
She's called Bloody Ugly.
We both laughing. I laughed at that. I did a little sneaker about what I said and things.
That doesn't count because it's not in the video.
Oh my god.
What even is that? Did it kill her?
No. Oh my god.
What is that? Look at the cat.
Oh, skills. Skills. Oh my god, guys. If you
What?
do want to see that one right there,
Hello everybody, my name is Josh.
please hit that like button, subscribe, and comment I subscribed. And I might actually do a daily giveaway. So comment I subscribed and what challenge you to do, and you will be featured in the next video. So if you do enjoy, then like and a comment, say I subscribed, remember, and you could be featured in one of the videos. We'll give you a shout. I'll see you next time. Peace.